p.m. Flooding was occurring along the Scioto River on Klondike Road between State Route 36 and Freshwater Road. The flooding is being caused by ice jams on the Scioto River. Some locations that may be impacted include farmland and roads immediately along the Scioto River from around State Route 36 to Home Road. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely, and the road beneath may not be intact. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather All Hazards Radio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland